Hey guys, and welcome back to Mad About Skin. This is actually a bonus video for today because I realised it was the 1 year anniversary of me first incorporating one of my favourite products into my skincare routine. I'm of course talking about this. This is the Ordinary Argireline Solution. In the past 12 months, I've talked about, reviewed and fangirled hard over this product, but I thought it'd be a really great opportunity at that 1 year point to share with you the results that I've got out of this product, how it's impacted my fine lines and wrinkles, is it really the botox in a bottle that the brand claims, and of course share with you any hints, tips and hacks that I've picked up along the way. So sit back, relax, and let's talk all things the Ordinary Argireline. The Ordinary Argireline Solution is a single peptide product. I adore peptides, but not all of them are created equally. Scientific studies have shown that Argireline is specific at targeting the dynamic fine lines and wrinkles. Those are the ones that are caused by movement in the skin. I'm now in my mid-30s, so I've started to see the first dynamic fine lines and wrinkles appear. That's why I first reached for this product. That, and alongside the £5 price point, which let's be honest is drugstore to its core, made it a really easy decision to first try this product. Since then, I've probably used about 13 to 15 bottles of it. In terms of the results I've been able to get from it, well, from the first use, you will see a hydration given to the area that you apply it to. This is fantastic because a lot of the wrinkles that we get are a result of dehydration in the skin. By drinking enough water, applying those humectants and peptides to increase the level of hydration, the skin will automatically look a little bit more plumped and full, which can diminish the appearance of those initial wrinkles. Beyond just that, I do find as the day progresses, those crow's feet and laughter lines, which are my particular problem areas, do seem genuinely diminished. One of the reasons why I wanted to wait to do a full review for the year is to see if there's any long-term benefits to using this product. I'd say possibly at the margins, but I think really the benefit from this product is whilst you use it. I took a 1 month break from the product in the summer. I ran out of the bottle, it was out of stock, and I did see the re-emergence of those fine lines and wrinkles. So I definitely say this product is one that works while you're applying it, but of course if you stop you do see the return of those fine lines and wrinkles. I'm actually okay with that because for the price point I think it's a product you can afford to buy time and time again and incorporate in your skincare routine. It's not one of those bougie luxury extra products that cost so much that you use it sparingly, and sometimes you have to take a break if your price point won't reach to it. This is a product you can afford month after month after month, so you can keep getting those benefits. The benefits I see tend to accumulate, so I'd say I got about a 60% reduction in my fine lines and wrinkles after about month 2. Beyond then it was all about maintenance, and I chose to use this product twice a day. I think again for that price point twice a day is enough, and I don't mind being a little bit more lavish with the product than I normally would be because I can afford to buy it time and time again. Using it in the morning and the evening I tend to get quicker results with the product, but again they plateaued at around that 2 month point, and from there it was maintenance and really just maintaining the results that I'd already got. It didn't react at all with my skin. You don't get any sensation from applying the product, and because it's such a watery liquid product it does go a long way. You don't get a whole lot of product in each bottle, but you don't need a lot to target those areas because you are being specific with it and just putting on the areas where you do have those dynamic fine lines and wrinkles. I found as a product it works really well with just about all the other steps in my skincare routine. Argireline is a reasonably stable peptide, and so you don't have to worry too much about using it alongside other actives that might not go well with say copper peptides. I use it after I've exfoliated and applied a toner to rebalance the skin, then I'll apply this on the areas that I want. I then follow it with a full peptide serum, and this is something I wanted to experiment with. Do you need the Argireline Solution by The Ordinary if you already have a peptide in your skincare routine? And I think why not? That's driven by 2 factors. First of all, that £5 price point, which is $7 in the US, it's not like it's breaking the bank and you have to decide between 2 products. It's also not a peptide you commonly see in other peptide products and peptide buffet products, so it's actually quite nice to have this for that extra anti-aging boost. As I said before, not all peptides are created equal, so you will have some that help to tackle hyperpigmentation, you'll have some that hydrate the skin, some that produce collagen and treat anti-aging. This is fairly unique, and so I think it works really well alongside other peptide products to just give you that anti-aging boost to your overall skincare routine without breaking the bank. I did have Botox around 5 years ago and it just didn't work for me. I didn't want that totally paralysed look that I seem to get. It really limited the amount of movement I could get in my skin, and I'm just not all about that. I'm quite an expressive person and I want that to show in my face. So whilst this doesn't give you those exact results, that Botox in a bottle paralysed look, I question whether any of us actually want that. If that's the look you're going for, then you're not going to get it with this product. But if you are looking for a 50 or 60% reduction in the appearance of dynamic fine lines and wrinkles, I think this can be be a great product to reach for. I did toy with using it all over my face to see if it gave that result, and whilst it does work in terms of adding some hydration into the skin, I didn't feel it worked in terms of tightening or producing any extra elasticity in the skin. It's definitely a product that works best on dynamic fine lines and wrinkles, so I'd say do as it says on the tin and apply it to those areas rather than wasting the product all over the face. I'd love to know your experiences with this product. I'm obviously going to give it a ding 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 10 out of 10 because it worked so well alongside all my other products. I got some real great benefits for it that didn't reduce if I just missed a day. However, you should always bear in mind that I'd say this is a product that works whilst you've got it in your routine, but it's not something that's going to give long-term benefit after you've ceased to use the product. So do bear that in mind. Show me your thoughts and feelings in the comment section below. And while you're down there, if you want to click that like button to support the channel, I'd love you forever. Wherever you are in the world, guys, stay safe, stay well, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Take care. Bye.